Hariom children. In last class, we learned addition and subtraction of time. Today, let us learn the story sums, that is the word problems of the time chapter. Page number 186, exercise 12.5. Okay. Solve these story sums. Look at the first question. Amit watched 2 cartoon shows on television. The first show was 1 hour 35 minutes long. The second show was 45 minutes long. For how long did he watch television? Okay, children. So what should we do here? Amit watched 2 shows. Okay. So 2 cartoon show. The first one was 1 hour 35 minutes. And second one 45 minutes. So what should we do here? We have to add. They have asked the total time watched by Amit. So we have to add the time. Okay. So first sentence. The first show. First cartoon show. How many minutes, children? It is 1 hour 35 minutes. It is 1 hour 35 minutes. Okay. The second show. The second show is how many minutes? It is 45 minutes. Okay. So here we have to add both and find the total time watched by Amit. So here it is hours, minutes. First show it is 1 hour 35 minutes, and second show we are going to add here. See, if it is no hours, only 45 minutes, and here no hours. Now we are going to add this. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 10. So 1 on the top, 0 down. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, but here it is minutes. So what we are going to do, if it is more 6 or more than that, so if it is 8, 6 plus 2, so 6 becomes here plus 1. Okay, 60 minutes it becomes 1 hour. Understood, children? 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8 becomes 6 plus 2. So 6 becomes 1 hour. So here 1 plus 1 is 2. So how many minutes? How many hours and minutes? It is 2 hours 20 minutes. Okay. So the total time. Taken by Amit to watch cartoon show is 2 hours 20 minutes. Understood, children? So here Amit watched the first cartoon show for 1 hour 30 minutes and second show for 45 minutes. So here the question is, what is the total time? Okay, so we are going to add 1 hour 35 minutes plus 45 minutes, that is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 1 on the top, 0 down. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So here in minutes, if it is more than 6 or more than that, so 8 becomes 6 plus 2. So 2 we are going to write it here, and 6 becomes 1 hour. So 1 plus 1 is 2 hours. So the total time taken by Amit to watch cartoon show is 2 hours 20 minutes. Understood, children? Okay. Now let us go for the second one. Shailesh took 1 hour 25 minutes to complete a race, while Abhinav took 1 hour 45 minutes. Who ran faster? By how much? Okay. So here two people are there. Who are there? Shailesh and Abhinav. Okay. Shailesh what they have a race between them. Shailesh and Abhinav, they have a race between them. So Shailesh took 1 hour 25 minutes. Abhinav took 1 hour 45 minutes. The first question is, who ran fast? In these two, who ran fast, children? It is Shailesh. And by how much? Okay, so we have to find the difference between these two. So Shailesh ran by 1 hour 25 minutes and Abhinav ran by 1 hour 45 minutes. So we are going to find the difference. So we'll find how fast did Shailesh run, by how many minutes. Okay, children? Okay. Second one, children. Okay, Shailesh took, so time taken by Shailesh. Time taken by Shailesh is 1 hour 25 minutes. Okay, and time taken by Abhinav. Abhinav, how many hours, children? 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay. So in these two, 1 hour 25 minutes, 1 hour 45 minutes. Who ran fast? Shailesh ran fast. Why? Because he took only 1 hour 25 minutes. But Abhinav took 1 hour 45 minutes. So Shailesh ran fast by how many minutes? To find that, we are going to subtract it and find the difference. Hours, minutes. It is here from 1 hour 45 minutes, we will subtract 1 hour 25 minutes. So 1 hour 45 minutes minus 1 hour 25 minutes. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So it is 0 hours. 0 hours 20 minutes. So 20 minutes fast he ran. Okay. So here, so therefore Shailesh ran faster than Abhinav by 20 minutes. Okay. So who ran faster? Shailesh ran faster than Abhinav. By how many minutes? By 20 minutes. Understood, children? Okay. Now, the third one, Punjab Mail takes 3 hours and 15 minutes to reach Agra from Delhi, while Gatiman Express takes 1 hour 40 minutes. How much time will Riya save if she travels by Gatiman Express? Okay, so here we can see 2 trains, that is Punjab Express and Gatiman Express. Okay, so here Punjab Express takes 3 hours 15 minutes and this Gatiman Express takes 1 hour 40 minutes. So if she travels by Gatiman Express, how much time will she save? So to find that, we have to subtract and find the difference. Okay, children. Okay. Third one. How much will Punjab Mail takes? 3 hours 15 minutes. And Gatiman Express takes 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay, so if Riya travels by Gatiman Express, she can reach early because it takes only 1 hour 40 minutes. But if she travel by Punjab Mail, it takes 3 hour 15 minutes. It will be very longer. Okay, so to find how fast she can reach, we have to subtract it. Okay. Here it is 3 hours 15 minutes minus 1 hour 40 minutes. 5 minus 0 is 5. Okay, so 1 minus 4 is not possible and we have to borrow, and we are borrowing it from hours. So 3 hours become 2 hours, and when it comes to minutes, it becomes plus 6. Okay, we are borrowing it from hours, so it becomes plus 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. So Riya she can save 1 hour 35 minutes if she travels by Gatiman Express. So one hour 35 minutes if she travels by Gatiman Express. Okay, children. So here Gatiman Express moves very fast. So she can reach by 1 hour 40 minutes. If she travel by Punjab Mail, it takes 3 hours 15 minutes. So we have to subtract 3 hours 15 minutes minus 1 hour 40 minutes. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 1 minus 4. So from 1 we can't subtract it. So we have to borrow from hours. So 3 hours becomes 2 hours. When we take it to minutes, it becomes plus 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 hour 35 minutes. So Riya can save 1 hour 35 minutes if she travels by Gatiman Express. Understood, children? Okay. Now let us go for the exercise 12.6. Yes, children. Now let us learn time duration. Okay, children. Now let us learn time duration. So what is time duration? Okay. So let me take what is the time duration between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. Okay, 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. So what is the how to find the duration between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. So this is 6 a.m. is morning. So from 6 o'clock, so from 6 o'clock a.m. to, if it is 7 a.m. Okay, so 6 to 7, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. it becomes 1 hour. Okay, children. So if it is from 6 to 7, it is 1 hour. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. it is 1 a.m. So from 7 a.m. From 7 a.m. if it is 8 a.m. Okay, children. So from 7 a.m. to if it is 8 a.m. then again 1 hour. Okay. So 6 to 7, 1 hour. 7 to 8, 1 hour. But we are finding the duration till 10 a.m. So from 8, Okay, again from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, so 9 a.m. Again from 8 to 9, again 1 hour. From 9 to 10, 9 to 10 a.m. it is 1 hour. So we have to find the duration from 6 to 10. Okay children, so 6 to 7, 1 hour, 7 to 8, 1 hour, 8 to 9, 1 hour, and 9 to 10, 1 hour. So what is the total duration? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally we have 4 hours. Okay, so the time duration between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. is 4 hours. So this is the way we are going to find the duration of the time. Understood children? So if we are finding the duration from 6 to 10, so 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. 1 hour, 7 to 8 a.m. 1 hour, 8 to 9 a.m. 1 hour, 9 to 10 a.m. 1 hour. So here how many hours are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 4 hours. So 4 hours is the duration between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. Okay. Understood children? Okay. Now let us go for the exercise 12.6. Exercise 12.6 A main. First question 3 a.m. and 6 a.m. 3 a.m. and 6 a.m. So we are going to begin from 3. So 3 a.m. After 3 it is 4. So 3 to 4 a.m. it is 1 hour. 3 to 4 it is 1 hour. But we need till 6 a.m. So after that it is 5 a.m. So from 4 to 5 it is 1 hour. And from 5 to 6 a.m. Have we finished? So from 5 to 6 again 1 hour. Okay children, here 3 to 6 a.m. So 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. So 1 hour between 3 to 4, 1 hour, 4 to 5, 1 hour, 5 to 6, 1 hour. So here 1, 2, 3, 3 hours. The time duration between 3 a.m. and 6 a.m. is 3 hours. Understood children? Now let us go for the second one. 7 a.m. and 12 noon. 7 a.m. and 12 noon. Okay. So we are going to begin from 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 8. 8 a.m. it is 1 hour. From 8 to 9 a.m. it is 1 hour. And it is 9 to 10 a.m. 1 hour. And we need the duration till 12 noon. So here we have written 10 a.m. So from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. 10 to 11, 1 hour. And from 11 a.m. to after 11 a.m. it is 12 noon. 12 noon it is 1 hour. Okay children, so we have written from 7 to 12, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12 noon. So how many hours are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay children, it is 5 hours. So the duration between 7 a.m. and 12 noon is 5 hours. Okay children, understood? Now let us go for the third one. third one, 6:30 p.m. and 9:20 p.m. Here it is, we can find the minutes also. Till now, whatever first and second one, whatever we saw, it was only hours. So 3 a.m. to 4 a.m., 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. But here we can find 6:30 p.m. Here even we have minutes also. Okay, p.m. and 9:20 p.m. Okay, so before writing the hour, from 6:30 to 7. Okay, 6:30 to 7. 6:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, it is not 6 to 7. It is 6:30 to 7. 6:30 to 7 p.m. How many minutes it is? It is 30 minutes. Okay, the duration between 6:30 p.m. Okay, and 7. It is 30 minutes. From 7 to 8 p.m. From 7 to 8 p.m. 7 to 8 is 1 hour. Again from 8 to 9 p.m. it is 1 hour. Is it okay? Is it 9 here? No, it is 9:20. So from 9 p.m. to 9:20 p.m. Okay, 9 o'clock to 9:20 p.m. How many minutes it is? It is 20 minutes. From 9 o'clock to 9:20. It is 20 minutes. Understood, children? Here, when they have given the minutes, 6:30 to 7 o'clock. 6:30 to 7 o'clock, the duration is 30 minutes. And 7 to 8, 1 hour. 8 to 9, 1 hour. And 9 o'clock to 9:20, the time is 9:20. 9 o'clock to 9:20, it is 20 minutes. So how many hours? 1, 2. There are 2 hours plus 30 minutes plus 20 minutes. 2 hours plus 20 minutes, so plus 30 minutes plus 20 minutes. So we are going to add these 2 minutes. Okay, so 30 plus 20. 30 plus 20 is 50. Okay, so 2 hours plus 50 minutes. So the duration between 6:30 p.m. and 9:20 p.m. is 2 hours 50 minutes. Understood, children? So 6:30 to 7 o'clock, 30 minutes. 7 to 8, 1 hour. 8 to 9, 1 hour. And 9 to 9:20, 20 minutes. So 1 hour, 1 hour. So 1, 2, 2 hours. And this 30 minutes and 20 minutes we have written separately. So 30 plus 20 is 50. So 2 hours 50 minutes is the 2 hours 50 minutes is the duration between 6:30 p.m. and 9:20 p.m. Okay. Now let us go for the fourth one. Fourth one, 2:30 p.m. and 3:45 p.m. Okay, children, 3:20 p.m. and 3:45 p.m. Okay, so we are beginning from 3:20 p.m. 3:20 p.m. to next is, 2:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, 2:30 to 3, it is half an hour. So 30 30 minutes. Okay, 2:30 to 3, it is 30 minutes. From 3 to 3:45, it is not 4, it is only up to 3:45. So 3 to 3:45 p.m. So how many minutes over here? It is 3 to 3:45. It is 45 minutes. Understood, children? So 2:30 to 3, it is 30 minutes. 3 p.m. to 3:45 p.m. it is 45 minutes. So here both are minutes. 30 minutes plus 45 minutes. 30 plus 45. So 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. So totally it becomes 75 minutes. So if it is more than 60, it is 1 hour. So 75 can be written as 60 plus 15. 60 becomes 1 hour 15 minutes. Understood, children? Here 30 minutes and 45 minutes. If we add 30 plus 45, it is 75. 75 is 30 plus 15. 60 plus 15. 60 is 1 hour 15 minutes. So the duration between 2:30 p.m. and 3:45 p.m. is 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay. Understood this fourth one, children? Okay, now let us go for the fifth one. Fifth one, 11 a.m. and 2:35 p.m. Okay, 11 a.m. and 2:35 p.m. So from 11 a.m. What is next? After 11, it is 12. 12 after a.m. it is noon. Okay, so 11 a.m. to 12 noon, it is 1 hour. After 12 to 1. After noon, it is p.m. So 12 noon to 1 p.m. it is 1 hour. And 1 to, after 1 it is 2. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. it is 1 hour. And it is 2 o'clock 35 minutes. So from 2 p.m. to 2:35 p.m. So 2 to 2:35, how many minutes? 35 minutes. Understood, children? So here 11 to 12, 1 hour, 12 to 1, 1 hour, 1 to 2, 1 hour, and 2 to 2:35. 2 to 2:35, it is 35 minutes. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 hours. 3 hours and minutes 35 minutes. Understood, children? So 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 3 hours, and from 2 to 2:35 it is 35 minutes. So the total duration of the time is 3 hours 35 minutes. Okay, children, now let us go for the sixth one. Sixth one, 4 p.m. and 1:45 a.m. Okay, 4 p.m. to 1:45, 4 p.m. and 1:45 a.m. So from 4 to 5, 4 to 5 p.m. it is 1 hour. 5 to 6 p.m. it is 1 hour. And 6 to 7 p.m. 1 hour. And then 7 to 8 7 to 8 it is 1 hour. 8 to 9 it is 1 hour. Okay children, 9 to 10. 9 to 10 1 hour. After 10 to 11 1 hour. After PM it is 12 11 PM. After that 12 midnight it is 1 hour. After 12 to 1 AM. After midnight it is AM. So after 12 to 1 AM it is 1 hour. And 1 to 1:45. So after 1 to 1:45 AM it is here 1 to 1:45. So 45 minutes. Okay, so we have finished. So we have to find the total of it. So 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. Then again 10 to 11, 11 to 12 midnight. After 12, 12 to 1 AM, 1 to 1:45 AM. So how many 1 hours are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay children, how many 1 hours are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 hours. And how many minutes? It is 45 minutes. Okay children, it is. So the duration between 4 PM and 4 PM and 1:45 AM, the answer is 9 hours 45 minutes. Okay children, so we have finished with the A main. So tomorrow we shall continue with the B main story sums children. Okay, Hari Om.